Hi kitty cats. So today we're going to go through my highlighter drawer and figure out what we want to keep. I did do an eyeshadow one, but the file got corrupted and I already got rid of the eyeshadows that I was gonna get rid of and stuff, and so I'm afraid there will be no eyeshadow declutter. And there's no blush declutter this year or foundations and stuff because I feel like I don't have enough to really declutter. Highlighters I got a plenty of. So, and I'm still gonna do an eyeshadow palette. Those were my eyeshadow singles that I did yesterday. This, I love this stuff. I have for years. So that's staying. I like to put it, you know, along like my collarbone and in between my breasts and stuff. It makes everything like sparkly. And this is supposed to be the same sort of thing. It's a glow enhancer, but I haven't used it yet. So I'm gonna hold on to that so that I can try it out. And I don't know what's going on behind me. Oh, they're trying to eat out of Sugar's food dish, which is empty right now. And that's her special food anyways. They're not supposed to eat it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the Wet n Wild ones. Which I probably will be keeping all of them. This is the Sweetest Bling. It's a really cute highlighter. This one I haven't even used yet, called the Royal Calyx. It looks really pretty, so I'll be keeping that. This is Precious Petals, which is one of my favorite highlighters ever. It's really good. You can see I hit pan right in there. So, and this one's called Winter Falls in LA, probably another one of my favorites. It's really, really pretty. Works great at Halloween when you're doing like certain types of looks. This is the Purple Ashes. I haven't used it yet, so. And this is Halo Walkers. I have used this before. It's a blue one, and at Halloween I use it for certain looks. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow High Repair, and not your basic witch, which I tried to use as a contour type thing, and it was kind of crazy. So I definitely wouldn't use that highlighter, but I may in the future use it as an eyeshadow single. In fact, I think I'll put it in with the eyeshadow single because it's way too dark for like anything else. Okay, there's this little tiny thing of Ulta liquid. You know, I'm not keeping that. I'm not even like getting into it. This is definitely going, the unicorn oil. It's really like cruddy and dried out and just was never really worth it. This is the Dream Maker from So Susan Cosmetics in the color Pop Star. I'm not that crazy about I like the big things of liquid highlighter, like I said, for like collarbone and in between my breasts, but on my face, liquid highlighter I feel is weird and gets kind of cruddy. So, remember that. This is Jolie Cosmetics. Very pretty. I'll be keeping this. I thought I'd get rid of it, but change my mind. This one I'm getting rid of. This is the Specifica Rainbow Crystals Liquid Mineral Strobe. I'm gonna get rid of this one. This is from Nomad Cosmetics in the color Stockholm. That's an awful name. I think I'm gonna let it go. I don't think I use it that often, and it's not all that great, so. Oh, yes, my Laura Geller in Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Gilded Honey. This is a really, really nice highlighter, and I will definitely be keeping it. That's a keeper. The Winky Lux, I just used this the other day. Charm Holographic Highlighter. It's, in my opinion, not really holographic, but it is very pretty, and so it will be staying. Okay, this is Artist Couture, yes, and the Diamond Glow Powder and Illuminati. This stuff's really, really pretty. I'm definitely keeping it. I have been always wanting one of these, and when I ended up with one, because I bought like a bunch of highlighters or whatever, I was from someone, like ones they didn't like. I was very happy. Woo, this stuff's everywhere. That's the color. This is the Wet n Wild Loose Highlighting Powder. I'm keeping this one actually. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Brightening Rocks. I'm not that crazy about these. I haven't even opened it up, really. But I think I'm gonna pass it along to my daughter. I think she would. I don't know why I'm not that into them. Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. What's this? Where is the name? Apparently there's no name, which kind of drives me crazy. I'm putting this aside too. It's not one of my favorites. I'm actually getting rid of some highlighters. Okay, this one, I need to put it in a thing. Is Moon Dust. That's the name of it, and it's from Ciate London. It's actually really pretty, and I will be keeping it. I have used it a few times. Morphe Cosmetics High Impact Highlight Illuminator in Spark. Yes, I've used this. Yes, I like it. Yes, it's staying. J-Cat You Glow Girl in the color Pink Goddess. I'm getting highlighter all on my hands. This is a beautiful color. I love J-Cat. It's staying. This is the J-Cat You Glow Girl in the color Moonlight. Not quite as pretty as the Pink Goddess, but still very pretty, and I will be keeping it. We've got Ofra Highlighter and Rodeo Drive. And Ofra Highlighter and Star Island. The Star Island one I think is like super pretty. I mean, they're both pretty, but I like Star Island one best. This is Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter by Face Studios. It's very pretty. This shit is blinding, so be warned. What's the name of this one? Molten Gold. Very good. Good stuff. Okay. These are pretty for your face whipped highlighters. This is Gold Bar. They dried out. Pretty for your face Silver Crown. And Pretties for your face Mighty Hecate. So these are all going because they dried out. They're gonna go in the empties. And here we go. This is the Laura Geller Easy Illuminating Stick in Ethereal. It's a very pretty color. I like it. I don't use it as much as I used to, but I want to keep it. Trust Fund Beauty That Glow, though. I think I'm going to move this one along. And L'Oreal Paris Infallible Galaxy Stick in the color Cosmic Pink. I love this one. It's really cool looking. This I should let go, but it's really hard for me. I know it's time. But I don't think they make it anymore. When I last looked, it wasn't there, at least. It's a Super Shock highlighter, or Super Shock cheek, as they say. And this is in the color Hippo. And I'm gonna miss you. I really liked you. This is also a ColourPop Super Shock cheek, and the color School is Fun. I don't know how, but a bunch of like hair got into there, so I'm just gonna let it go. It was cute though. Okay, now we've got some palette stuff. This is a Z palette, and in it I have 3 colors from Bitter Lace Beauty. They'll all be staying. Once Upon a Time, Siren Song, and Sugar Spun. Sugar Spun is very cool. These 3 come from Angel Empire Cosmetics. We've got Ghost Flower. I think this is called Swamp Princess. Yes, this is Swamp Princess. And this is Pumpkin something or other. And it does not say. But it's like pumpkin spice or something. So, love that one. This one, in Nude Endo from ColourPop. I'm letting them go. It's not that they aren't, like, the formula's fine. The colors are dull to me. They're just, no, just not my style, you know? And then we've got Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. You know, we got these great colors. I'll be keeping that. So now I'm going to put stuff back, and then I'm going to show you what I'm keeping, you know, what's left, and I'm going to show you a pile of what is going. Okay, so here's everything I'm keeping. All nice and neat. And these are stacked up in 2s. And this is all the stuff that's going. So, I did a pretty good job, I think. I got rid of quite a few highlighters. So, there you go. Please remember to share, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And realize my daughter gets first pick with this stuff, and then friends. So there usually isn't anything left for me to offer to anyone, because I know sometimes people will message me and be like, "Oh, I would like that." I'll interrogate the cat. There's that. And if there is anything, I belong to a swap group, and I will tell them about it. It's I think it's related to the Geeks and Beauties group. But anyways, there you go. And always remember to be kind, even when your highlighter is dried out. Alright, bye-bye kitty cats.